Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this video. My name is Marissa Romero, and in today's video, we're going to be going over 5 income streams that have led me to consistently make 5-figure months online. Now this is kind of cool. It'll be a little bit of an income report update for you guys and give you some different insight into different products that you can promote for your online business and give you more ideas about affiliate marketing in general and how you too can be a digital nomad, travel more around the world, whatever it is, have more time and location freedom with your family. Now, on that note, disclaimer, I will say that people make it seem that making money online is easy, and it is easy once you understand the fundamental principles and once you put in the hard work up front, like any other industry, anything else out there. And people also say that affiliate marketing is the best way and easiest way to get started online. And I highly agree with that because you don't have to create your own product, test it, spend thousands of dollars on marketing, run Facebook ads to it. However, there is a method to the madness that you have to learn and you have to put in, and you have to be excited about putting in the work. As I explained to you the 5 different income streams in this video, you'll notice the trend that I have positioned myself as a bridge between people that are searching for products already online and the company that is selling the products. And that is what I am a professional at, because that is essentially what affiliate marketing is. And you'll see that 80% of the way I make my income is through marketing other people's products and with being an affiliate marketer. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at income stream number 1. Okay, and that income stream is called Advertising Boost. Now, Advertising Boost is really cool because it is a company that allows you to offer people bonuses in the form of vacation. So it's really cool and could increase your sales like crazy, whether you're in the affiliate marketing niche, whether you're in your coaching consulting, whether you have maybe you're doing e-commerce and you can offer bonuses for the products that would match well with taking a vacation. I'm not sure. So essentially offering bonuses and offering a bonus like a free paid vacation is insane, but essentially offering bonuses is the #1 way to increase conversions and sales in your business. If you guys want to know more about building bonuses, I'll leave a link. I think it's here. To a video I did completely on building bonuses. You can check out that video also in the resources in the description. Now, this is a product that I'm not really quite promoting super heavily, but you could still see that, you know, this past month it brought in a $417 commission, which is pretty sweet for virtually not having to do anything. And if you want to learn more about Advertising Boost, I'll also link information to their company in the description so you can see if maybe you could offer a free vacation as a bonus for some type of product that you're selling. Maybe it's a good fit. Who knows? All right, so income stream number 2 that I wanted to tell you guys about is joint ventures and collaborations. Now, joint ventures and collaborations kind of mean the same thing. Collaborations for me, a lot of times mean I'm doing a collaboration on my channel, and joint venture could mean that as well, but more so it means if you have an email list, you can email out your list a product that somebody else wants you to promote. So you can promote their product with your affiliate link and you send it out to your list and you get the commissions for the sales that you make. So I'll give you an example of 2 collaborations I did on this channel. The first one was quite a while ago. I did a collaboration with a lady named Tammy Duco. She's awesome. She's the queen of Amazon. But essentially what we did was we sat down on my channel and we gave my audience tips and tricks about building an online business on Amazon. And it was pretty awesome. And Tammy is an incredible and knowledgeable lady. And so essentially what I did was she gave me an affiliate link to her course, her Amazon course, and people that were naturally interested in her, you know, information, her trust, her charisma, they purchased her course, and I made 2 sales in that month that we recorded the collaboration, and that was pretty cool. So I made about $900 that month just from making a simple video on my YouTube channel like I normally do. The other collaboration that was pretty fun was with John Crestani. Now, you may have heard about John Crestani, but he's a multi-millionaire, easily makes several 6-figure months with affiliate marketing, and so we did a collaboration, and the same thing, he offers a high-ticket course. And so I was able to put my link in the description, like, hey, if you want to connect with John Crestani, you can find out more and learn from him with this course. So by doing collaborations like that, which I do about once a month, I produce around $1,000 a month usually, sometimes more. On a bigger month, I've done like 3K, but usually it's about $1,000 just from doing a simple collaboration with somebody. So that brings us to about $1,417 for the example that I'm giving you for the 5 streams of income. The third income stream that I wanted to introduce you guys, and happens to be one of my favorites, is softwares. So I love promoting softwares because softwares are online business tools that all companies need to run their business. So whether that's email marketing, a sales funnel builder, a website hosting platform, a website hosting builder, or a website builder, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I love this income stream is because it's recurring commissions, because these are monthly subscriptions, that people have to pay for. And so if they're paying monthly and using your affiliate link, you get a monthly recurring commission from those sales. So two examples of softwares that I promote are both Kartra and Builderall, because they're both all-in-one platforms that I use personally for my business, and they include sales funnel buildings, membership site hosting, email marketing, and it's literally an all-in-one one-stop shop. So I promote those. I've taught thousands of people how to use these products, and people have signed up with these programs through my links. And between the two, on average, I receive about $3,500 per month from promoting these two softwares. Some months have been much higher, some months have been lower. That's about an average of what I expect every month from those two softwares that I promote. All right, so the fourth income stream that I wanted to tell you guys about that I make in my online business is from YouTube, and the money that I make from Google AdSense. So what does that mean? That means that I make money from the advertisements that play on my YouTube videos. So Google sends me a check every single month from all the advertisements that have played on my videos, whether that's a small pop-up image, whether that's the videos that play before and after the videos. There's different types of monetization ads that you can place on your videos. So on average with Google AdSense, I make about $1,500 to $2,000 a month. It fluctuates every month. It's never really super predictable, but let's just add on the low end $1,500 a month to the grand total. So we'll just really quickly add up 3,500 plus 14, 17, plus $1,500 on the low end for Google AdSense. So we're up to about $6,400. All right, so I just wanted to pause really quick before I get into the fifth income stream and talk about other notable affiliate products that I've promoted. I've promoted phone applications, I've promoted YouTube equipment, so basically all the equipment I use for YouTube, the cameras, the ring lights, everything, I take my affiliate link from Amazon and I make commissions off of that. I've also promoted Instagram business growth tools that I've used to grow my Instagram. By the way, if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Marissa Romero. That is my handle, so that you can get an everyday behind the scenes look at business and life. Of course, I've promoted other people's courses with other collaborations and joint ventures. I've promoted ClickBank products. We all have heard about ClickBank, and I've done a lot of promoting with email marketing. So I have a list of thousands of subscribers, so I've emailed out different email campaigns in order to capture those sales and make money through email marketing. All right, so finally, we're at number 5 of income stream to make 5 figures a month, and that is, of course, high ticket sales. So right now, I'm averaging about 5 to 10 high ticket sales per month passively with the system and the hard work that I've done up front to earn these sales. But high ticket commissions essentially means a commission of about $500 or more. It means that you promote a product that costs at least $1,000 or more. So you might be thinking, well, what exactly does high ticket marketing or sales mean? Like, what does that mean? Well, essentially, it is a product in the form of maybe a live mastermind event, a digital course, a one-on-one consulting or coaching program that people will pay big dollars, big money to buy because it has the ability to impact and change your life tremendously. And they are sold for high ticket prices because the creators of these high ticket products really spent a lot of time, a lot of money and effort trying to figure out whatever problem you are trying to solve or whatever problem they solved for their life or for their business or for their relationship. And they had to go through a bunch of trial and tribulations and blood, sweat, and tears to find the solution. And that is why when they package it into a course or a product or a service to offer, it is worth a lot of money. And the reason why I love high ticket sales and high ticket everything is because the quality high ticket products always offer those life skills that are left out of when we, for example, go to the university. They hound education into us and they teach us everything, but they don't give us practical life skills. So these high ticket products offer those life skills, those business skills that you need to really succeed with whatever type of online business or business you're trying to build. For example, I can think of a high ticket offer that I really like. It's a guy I know who has a course on building an agency, a marketing agency, so you can market for other companies. And what I love about it is, yes, he teaches you the technical aspects, like how to, get your first client, how to charge, your first $2,000 per month and have a retainer. However, what he includes in his course that other courses lack and don't have, that teaches those life skills, is he includes things like how to handle a client that's angry, how to close a client on a phone, how to deal when clients drop out and you need to get new ones. So how to deal with the problems that come up that other people and other creators are just not telling you. So these are the life skill sets, the tools that you need to really get down and build this online business, all right? So I hope that makes sense. And I hope you enjoyed this overview of my 5 income streams to help me acquire 5-figure months every single month consistently. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you have not already. If you have not joined the fam, go ahead. What are you waiting for? And to find out more about what high ticket products I love and I love promoting, go ahead and click the first link in the description below. And again, if you probably noticed, this is a brand new background. I'm in Guatemala for 1 month. I'm in Antigua, Guatemala. I'll be doing a digital nomad review on that. This is actually my 5th location this year in 2019. So, of course, stay tuned for all those travel and digital nomad videos as well. I'm Marissa Romero. See you in the next video. Take care.